How to move contacts from Google account to SIM card.
Hello
Hi
everyone.
everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your contacts from Google account to SIM card. So for that, the first thing that you should do is launch your Google Play Store. After that, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Google Contacts. After you search for Google Contacts app, go on the Google Contacts app and make sure that you have logged into your Google Contacts app. And after you have already logged into your Google Contacts app, what you can do is you can simply choose the contacts that you have on your Google, like this account. And after that, you can simply tap on the three vertical dots on the right side and you can export to file, or you can simply import from file as well. So you don't want to import from file, what you want to do is export to file. So you can also restore the contacts as well. So let's just export to file. When you tap on the export to file option, you can simply export that on your files as you can also send it on your SIM card. So just by tapping on that, it will already be sent on your SIM card just like that. So just try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on our comment section below.